The world doesn't have to be this way. The world now lives by strange rules. 24/7 competition, fear, burnout, greed, every person for themselves. And there's no arguing it. Everyone knows this. But what's next? And here's where the most interesting part begins. These outdated and obsolete rules that we all face in society, we will replace with new principles of living humanely, without violence, honestly, with respect and love. And the cool part is that you, specifically, can support and accelerate this chain of change. You don't even have to start a revolution or get off the couch. To change the world, let's use the 6 handshakes theory, which, according to social research, says that any person in the world can be connected to any other through a chain of just 6 contacts. This is the power of our idea, the light movement, and we can do it without meditating in a cave for 40 days. It turns out, if you just send this video to 5 of your friends, and they forward it to 5 more, in 6 steps, boom, the idea flies around the whole world. It will even reach a grandmother in Brazil. It's not weird, it's not pretentious, it's genuinely cool. One click, and you're not just sharing memes, you're rebooting the entire world. Share it just for fun and watch the world change. And now, the principles of the reboot from the light movement, with which we will change the world, making it better, not counting, of course, that time you saved a cockroach in the bathroom. New principles that apply to the external and internal world. Softer, more humane, brighter. So, the external principles are: the external light is nonviolence. Do no harm to others, neither by word nor by deed. This is about both nonviolence and care. Being kinder, more attentive, not taking out stress on loved ones, not supporting toxicity. Empathy is also a practice. Truthfulness. Honesty with yourself and others. Be sincere in relationships. Don't play roles. Being yourself is a superpower. People can feel sincerity. Speak the truth, but gently, adhering to the first principle. Live in accordance with your inner values, without betraying yourself. The non-appropriation of what belongs to others. What belongs to others is not yours, and that's okay. Don't take what doesn't belong to you. Not things, not ideas, not time, not territories. Be grateful, not demanding. Respect the boundaries of others. You want respect? Start with yourself. The transcendental I. Control over feelings and energy directed towards an inner connection with the inner source, with the higher self. Endless scrolling, courtesy meetings, people who drain your energy, no, just no. Choose where your focus goes. It's valuable. Non-hoarding. Don't cling, let go. Freedom from the unnecessary. No need to hold on to extra things, status, comparisons. Freedom from greed and envy. Let go of the excess. The ability to be content with what is necessary and not depend on the external, this is true inner freedom. Now for the principles related to the inner world. The inner light is purity of life, not just in your room. Throw out the junk. Fewer noisy people, toxic memes, and excess sugar. Clean means clear, and clear means calm. Physical purity, caring for your body, health, and home. Regular hygiene, clean clothes, a balanced diet, order at home and in your personal space. Purity of speech, the ability to speak respectfully, clearly, and honestly, avoiding insults, rudeness, and manipulation. Purity of mind, emotional hygiene, consciously working with negative thoughts and feelings, envy, fear, anger, greed, etc. Rejoice in the simple. It's not dumb, it's cool. Tea or coffee in the morning, a patch of sun on the floor. It's the ability to be content with the present moment, to appreciate what you have, to maintain inner stability and a positive attitude. Just notice this moment. Do what's important, even when you don't feel like it. Not just to check a box, but because it makes you who you are. Movement, breathing, practice. This is your upgrade, your growth zone. This is willpower and self-organization, the ability to stick to goals, overcome difficulties, and stay true to your values. Dig not only into Google, but also into yourself. Write, think, practice self-observation. Read not only fiction, but also scientific and spiritual literature, expanding your worldview. This is the path to understanding yourself and the world. Your inner world is not a bug, it's your universe. Sometimes let go and see what happens. Trust in life. Not everything is under control, and thank goodness for that. Sometimes life steers better than you can. Trust is not a weakness. It is an inner Wi-Fi connection to a higher power, to the universe, a connection to life with a capital L, acknowledging the spiritual meaning in your life and following that guide. And if we start living by these principles together, even if not perfectly, but genuinely, everything will start to change. Because light is like that. One lights up and another nearby ignites too. Join in, without fanaticism, just humanely. So, are you with us? Then become a participant by subscribing to the channel, hit like to promote it, say hello to everyone in the comments, and let's go! And this is just the beginning. Many surprises and interesting ideas await all participants, ready to be brought to life for our Light Movement YouTube channel.